Welcome to Invest and Empower. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Virtual assistant services for online businesses. Virtual assistant services can be highly valuable for online businesses as they provide support and assistance remotely. Here are some key areas where virtual assistants can help online businesses. Administrative tasks. Virtual assistants can handle various administrative tasks such as managing emails, scheduling appointments, organizing calendars, data entry, document management, and other general administrative duties. This frees up time for business owners to focus on core activities. Here are some common administrative tasks that virtual assistants can handle. Email management. Virtual assistants can efficiently manage your business email inbox by filtering spam, responding to routine inquiries, forwarding important messages to the relevant team members, and organizing emails into appropriate folders. Calendar management. They can handle scheduling and organizing appointments, meetings, and events. Virtual assistants can coordinate with clients, team members, and other stakeholders to ensure everyone's availability and schedule appointments accordingly. Data entry and management. Virtual assistants can assist with data entry tasks, such as inputting information into spreadsheets or databases. They can also help organize and manage your business data, ensuring it is accurate, up-to-date, and easily accessible. Document preparation and formatting. Virtual assistants can create, format, and edit documents, presentations, reports, and other business materials. They can ensure consistency in formatting, proofread for errors, and make necessary revisions. File organization and management. They can help organize your digital files and documents, creating a logical file structure, labeling files appropriately, and ensuring easy retrieval when needed. Virtual assistants can also assist with file backups and data security. Travel arrangements. If your online business involves travel, virtual assistants can handle travel arrangements, including booking flights, hotels, rental cars, and coordinating itineraries. They can also assist with researching travel options and finding the best deals. Online research. Virtual assistants can conduct online research on various topics to gather information, industry trends, competitor analysis, market research, and any other data relevant to your business. They can summarize findings and present the information in a clear and organized manner. Meeting and event coordination. Virtual assistants can help with organizing and coordinating meetings, webinars, or virtual events. They can send out invitations, manage RSVPs, set up virtual meeting rooms, and ensure all necessary materials and resources are prepared. Document and file editing. Virtual assistants can assist with proofreading, editing, and formatting documents, reports, blog posts, or other written content. They can ensure accuracy, clarity, and adherence to brand guidelines. Online file sharing and collaboration. Virtual assistants can set up and manage online file sharing and collaboration tools, such as Google Drive, Dropbox, or project management platforms. They can facilitate document sharing, collaboration, and version control among team members. Customer support. Virtual assistants can provide customer support by handling inquiries, responding to customer emails or messages, addressing customer complaints or concerns, and providing general assistance to customers. They can ensure prompt and professional communication, enhancing the overall customer experience. Here are some customer support tasks that virtual assistants can handle. Live chat support. If your online business has a live chat feature on your website or social media platforms, virtual assistants can handle real-time customer inquiries. They can engage with customers, provide product information, address concerns, and guide them through the purchasing process or troubleshoot issues. Phone support. Virtual assistants with phone support capabilities can handle incoming customer calls, providing assistance, answering questions, and resolving customer issues or complaints. They can maintain a professional and friendly phone manner while representing your business. Social media support. Virtual assistants can monitor your business's social media platforms for customer inquiries, comments, or complaints. They can respond to customer messages, address concerns, and engage with customers in a timely and helpful manner. This helps build a positive brand image and enhance customer satisfaction. Order management. Virtual assistants can assist with order management tasks, including order processing, tracking shipments, resolving order-related issues, and coordinating with logistics or fulfillment partners. They can ensure smooth order fulfillment and provide customers with updates on their orders. Product or service information. Virtual assistants can be trained on your products or services to provide accurate information to customers. They can answer product-related questions, provide specifications, explain features, and help customers make informed purchasing decisions. Social media management. Virtual assistants can manage social media accounts for online businesses. They can create and schedule social media posts, engage with followers, respond to comments and messages, monitor social media analytics, and help build an online presence and brand reputation. Here are some social media management tasks that virtual assistants can handle. Account setup. Virtual assistants can help set up social media accounts for your online business. They can create professional profiles, upload profile and cover photos, and optimize the account settings to align with your branding. Content creation. Virtual assistants can assist in creating engaging and relevant content for your social media platforms. This includes writing captions, creating graphics or images, and scheduling posts. They can also curate and share industry-related content to keep your audience informed and engaged. Scheduling and publishing. Virtual assistants can use social media management tools to schedule and publish posts across multiple platforms. They can ensure that posts go out at optimal times to maximize reach and engagement. They can also monitor post performance and adjust scheduling strategies accordingly. Community engagement. Virtual assistants can actively engage with your social media followers by responding to comments, messages, and mentions. They can answer inquiries, address concerns, and foster positive interactions with your audience. This helps build relationships and maintain a strong online presence. Follower growth strategies. Virtual assistants can implement strategies to grow your social media following. They can research relevant hashtags, identify influencers or industry partners for collaborations, and engage with potential followers through likes, comments, or follows. This helps expand your reach and attract new followers. Content creation. Virtual assistants with content creation skills can assist with tasks such as writing blog posts, creating social media content, preparing newsletters, editing and proofreading content, and managing content calendars. They can help maintain a consistent flow of quality content for online businesses. Research and market analysis. Virtual assistants can conduct research on market trends, competitors, target audience demographics, and other relevant information. They can help gather data, analyze findings, and provide reports or summaries that assist in making informed business decisions. Competitor analysis. Virtual assistants can analyze your competitors' online presence, marketing strategies, product offerings, pricing, and customer reviews. They can help identify your competitors' strengths and weaknesses, enabling you to make informed decisions and develop competitive advantages. Trend analysis. Virtual assistants can monitor industry trends, consumer behavior shifts, and emerging technologies relevant to your online business. They can help identify upcoming trends, allowing you to adapt your strategies and stay ahead of the competition. Website management. Virtual assistants with website management skills can help with tasks such as website updates, content uploads, basic website design, plugin installations, and monitoring website performance. They can ensure the website is running smoothly and provide a positive user experience. E-commerce support. For online businesses with e-commerce platforms, virtual assistants can assist with product listing and management, order processing, inventory management, and customer support related to online purchases. Email marketing. Virtual assistants can help with email marketing campaigns by creating and designing email templates, managing subscriber lists, scheduling email sends, tracking campaign performance, and optimizing email marketing strategies. Online research and data entry. Virtual assistants can assist with online research tasks, gathering information, compiling data, and entering data into spreadsheets or databases. Project management. Virtual assistants can help manage projects, including coordinating tasks, tracking deadlines, communicating with team members, and ensuring project milestones are met. It's important to communicate your specific business needs and requirements to the virtual assistant to ensure they have the skills and experience necessary to effectively support your online business. Additionally, establish clear expectations, provide guidelines, and maintain open communication to ensure a productive working relationship with your virtual assistant. This is it for today's video. What do you think about our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.